Welcome to Will It Rally, the new series from the Team O'Neill Rally School. Join us as we find the limits of different vehicles on our wide-open skid pad and slalom courses before racing against the stopwatch on a technical rally stage. Welcome back to Will It Rally here at the Team O'Neill Rally School. This series wouldn't be complete without including the most common vehicle in the world, over 40 million units sold worldwide, the Toyota Corolla. This one has an automatic transmission and a 4-cylinder engine as you'd expect. Steel wheels, snow tires, pretty much good to go. For our purposes, all we really care about is will it rally? So when you get in any car, you find a big open area like this and play around and see what it likes and see what it doesn't like. The nice thing about a car like this is it'll do whatever you tell it to do. You can trail brake, you can brake in turns, the handbrake works, you can do pendulum turns, you know, on the throttle, left foot braking all day to get around some of the higher speed corners. You've really got a lot of options at your disposal. It's not natural, sure, if you're used to rear wheel drive, but once you figure out how to really wheel a front wheel drive car like this, most of the time of the 2-wheel drive cars, front wheel drive is faster than rear wheel drive. Sure, if you were actually going to go racing with this car, I'd probably go for something with a better limited slip front diff, but this one's really not bad. If you really are stopped and go to accelerate, you'll get one tire spinning and the other tire doing nothing, but once you're driving, you know, until you get it really slowed down, you don't notice that it's a problem. If you keep your speed up and keep your momentum going for yourself, the open front diff, even on the snow like this, isn't too pesky. Now that we've had the chance to shake down the Corolla, let's hit our timed course out here at the Rally School. This Corolla is a classic and a great reminder that front-wheel drive can be so fun and so fast, but let's see how it does on a true rally stage. All right, so our little Corolla did pretty well. It's time to put it against the stopwatch on our little loop that we've got set up out here. I'm in second gear, cover the brake, everything's happy, nothing to do. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'd like a diff. We don't have a diff. That's okay. I've got the transmission in 2. Just, I don't know why. I feel like that's the right thing to do. I don't really want it shifting into 3rd or drive. We're going to crash. Oh, it's slippery. It's slippery. I'm just going to go inside and get onto this grip. A little bit of gravel there. Yeah, that was a little handbrake. It's extremely slippery. It looks like snow, but it's like packed white ice. Big pendulum coming into there, hard on the throttle, lots of left foot braking, feather the gas. Okay, we're still alive. This all-wheel drive would be nice right now. We're gonna just do what we can to carry some speed up this hill. You know, front wheel drive, open differential, there's only so much we can do. I'm gonna try to keep it pretty tidy and just hold my momentum. You don't wanna spin the tires too much or you'll lose all your speed. 1 minute now, I don't think that's very good. Uphill corners, you're gonna lift more. You don't need to brake as much. You don't wanna left foot brake too hard going up a hill. Hard left. Wasn't great. I'm gonna try just going right to low. It's in low, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to 2. Not really sure what to do. Pendulum turn. This corner is a really important one. Nail that with just enough speed so you can make it up this hill. Come on. Open diff. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Hard on the throttle. Just gonna ride a little brake into here. Okay, we gotta make up for that lack of uphill speed with some bravery at this point. So that's as fast as anyone I know would be comfortable going through there. Get it slowed down early. Get it turned in. I probably didn't need that handbrake. Cool, down the hairpin right. Coming down the hill. Set up for the hairpin left just nice and early. Pendulum turn. Don't overdo it. 3-point turn here would cost us the whole thing down the hill. 224. Go, 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 go. Down the hill fast. Getting ready. Where's my stop sign? Waiting for the finish. As fast as I want to go. Stop. 236. I honestly have no idea how good that is. I'm gonna have to take a look, but that's as fast as I'm comfortable going in this car. All right, so we came here today to see if the Toyota Corolla will rally, and I think we answered that with a resounding yes. Does fantastic at a bunch of different rally maneuvers. Around our little loop here, it did a 236.87, which is actually very good. We did have, you know, a little higher grip in some places, but once you get a little bit of elevation up here on the mountain, it's very icy, so it's still very slippery. If you were going to take a car like this and actually do a little more heavy performance, you know, rally type driving, limited slip differential would be top of the list. After that, you know, maybe a little bit stiffer suspension and some skid plates underneath and stuff. But other than that, right out of the box, the Toyota Corolla is actually fantastic. Pull a couple of fuses and you're pretty much good to go. So if you're looking for kind of something that does everything, you know, is good fuel economy, affordable to buy, everything else, and you can have a ton of fun with it and actually be pretty quick, a little front wheel drive car like this could be at the top of your list. So thanks for watching. If you're into this sort of thing, think about subscribing to the channel. We're putting out videos pretty regularly. If you're into sort of high-speed driving techniques, take a look at the Team O'Neill Rally School, teamo'neill.com. Other than that, I've been Wyatt. Be safe out there. Thanks for watching. That's about all I've got to say about that. Does a 5-pound bag of flour make a big frickin' biscuit? Yes, Wyatt. Yes, it does. Well, then you probably missed my story about the bear hole. Did you hear me talking about the bear hole?
Letterbuck.
Still coming at you. Gotta put on a show for Boger. Boger. What up, dog? 3, 2, 1, go.